Civil 3D Ultimate Road Design Course Theory to Practice, created by Ahmed Damour. Welcome to the complete Civil 3D Road Design course. In this section, we will guide you through everything from drawing tools to advanced interface components you'll need to design roads confidently in Civil 3D 2025. Understanding old version and new Civil 3D version. Civil 3D is always evolving while the core concept stays the same. Each version brings performance, UI, and feature enhancement. Main difference between new version 20 to 25 and old version 16 to 19. Performance. New version run faster and handle large files better than old version. User interface update UI in new version is more modern and streamlined compared to the classic ribbon in older ones. Tools and features. New versions offer advanced tools like grading optimization and ArcGIS integration, which were limited in old versions. Drawing templates. Recent releases include richer templates and country kits for regional standard. Cloud integration. Newer Civil 3D versions support cloud workflow via Autodesk documents. Older version had little or no cloud support. Civil 3D versus AutoCAD. What's the difference? Now you might wonder, how is Civil 3D different from regular AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a powerful general purpose drafting tool ideal for 2D and 3D drawings. But Civil 3D goes much further. It's purpose built for civil engineering. Key differences. Use case. AutoCAD is for general drafting. Civil 3D specialized in roadway, side, and utility design. Objects. AutoCAD objects. AutoCAD uses lines and polylines. Civil 3D uses smart objects like surfaces, alignments, and corridors. Tools. Civil 3D includes advanced tools for grading, profiles, and pipe network. Data management. Civil 3D supports data shortage and reusable design components. And labels in AutoCAD, labels are static. In Civil 3D, they are dynamic and update automatically with design changes. Surface modeling. Civil 3D support detailed terrain modeling and cut or fill calculations, unlike basic 3D in AutoCAD. Templates. Civil 3D uses style driving templates for professional engineering standards. Opening Civil 3D from the Start menu or from desktop. Let's begin with the very first step, opening the Autodesk Civil 3D software from your Windows desktop from here or from Start menu. Type Civil 3D in the search bar, then you will see options like Autodesk Civil 3D 2025 Metric or Civil 3D Imperial. Then choosing the correct drawing units depending on your region or project. Civil 3D allows you to work either Imperial or metric units. For example, we will choose Civil 3D 25 metric. Wait a few moments while the software loads. When Civil 3D opens, you will be presented with the Start tab here, then choose New. Here you can select from several default drawing templates, like Civil 3D Imperial or Metric, or you can choose another template from here, or POC template. Now we will choose Autodesk Civil 3D Metric, then Open. This template automatically sets your unit to meters or millimeter and configures scale, annotation size, and styles accordingly. If you ever need to verify or change your unit setting manually, just type units in the command line. Insertion scale, you can change the unit from here, from meter to feet, or any units you want. Then, OK. Open an existing drawing. To begin working with an existing Civil 3D project, you will need to open Save Drawing file, typically DWG file. Click the application menu in the top left corner of the screen, then select Open. Browse to the location where your drawing is stored. This may be project folder, your desktop, or a shared drive. Once Open Civil 3D loads the drawing with all associated style, surface alignment, and data reference. Now that you have all in your project, you are ready to explore and build with the confidence in Civil 3D. Stay with us. The road to mastering design starts here. Thank you for watching.